So these are the things we need. First we took a steel plate, just a small plate. Actually china dish is used, but I don't have china dish in my home, so I took a steel bowl. Then I took a wax candle. Then these are tiles just for the support. Then we need a powdered salt. Then we need powdered camphor. We just powdered them. Then we need a glass tumbler, and at last we need a lighter, so we can start the experiment. So the first step is to mix the powdered salt and camphor, so we should mix that. So first step is to place the candle somewhere. So first we should light up the candle. Then we can put these support tiles beside that. Then we should put these mixtures into the bowl. Then we should put the bowl right at the top of the candle. After that we should put that glass tumbler above this mixture. Then we should allow this mixture to heat up and evaporate for some time. And as you can see here, the camphor powder is evaporated, and you can see gas fumes inside this glass tumbler. And as you can see that gas fumes are forming right now. Crystals are formed throughout the glass, and these are camphor evaporated and stick to the glass tumbler. And so for proving that it is camphor, we can just collect some of the samples. So we have collected all the samples of this camphor, and we are going to burn this. As you can see here, it is lighten up, so we can prove this it is camphor. So this experiment ends here. Thank you.